Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to edit YouTube videos in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're creating tutorials, gaming videos, vlogs, cinematic content, or reaction videos, DaVinci Resolve gives you professional editing tools completely free. First, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project from the Project Manager screen. Next, import your video clips, audio files, images, and music into the media pool. Now drag your clips onto the timeline inside the Edit page. This is where you'll build your YouTube video. To remove mistakes or unnecessary sections, trim the clip edges or use the blade tool to cut clips into smaller parts. You can now add background music or sound effects to make your YouTube video more engaging. To add titles, subtitles, or lower thirds, open the Effects library and drag text elements onto the timeline. Once everything looks good, open the Deliver page, choose YouTube Export Settings, and click Render to export the final video. After exporting, upload your video to YouTube, then add a title, description, tags, and thumbnail before publishing. And that's basically how to edit YouTube videos in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With the right workflow, transitions, audio, and color grading, you can create professional-looking YouTube content directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.